I'm Chef Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make a drink called a Tootsie Roll. This is a great shooter recipe and it only takes a few ingredients. First, you want to get your cocktail shaker and add a few ice cubes. Then add a half an ounce of vodka, a half an ounce of your favorite coffee liqueur, and a half an ounce of orange juice. Mix all your ingredients together in the shaker. And serve in your shot glass. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make a drink called a Tootsie Roll. Enjoy.